Hello everybody. First of all, I have a new microphone as you can see. I hope you guys like the sound of it and I hope it's an improvement to my usual content. This video will serve as a part 2 to the Forge build that I did and also as some sort of proof that it actually works. So I'm not just building something and then uploading a video of it. I actually wanted to show you guys that it's a working, functional Forge. I recently got a new job at a rental company for industrial grade components for chemical plants, where I have to repair things and judge safety hazards. The stud bolts that they use are of a high grade chromium molybdenum steel, which is commonly used as a tool grade steel. I asked if I could have some that they were planning on throwing away to use for smithing, because these stud bolts make the perfect smithing material. As you can see, I put the piece in the forge, covering it in the hot coals. The extra oxygen provided by the hairdryer fan I attached made it that the coals could get hot enough to get the stud bolt to red and even yellow whitish hot. To get the stud bolt into the shape I want, I used a piece of a metal beam as an anvil and I just started smithing. I am actually editing this video right now and I've decided to put a little bit of a part in between, so I don't have to do it at the end. Basically, I made a Patreon. It's not to whine about not getting enough money, or it's not to actually whore myself out for money. It's just a way of, if you feel like donating to me so I can build more things and I actually have some money on my hands to buy supplies with, then it's just a way so you guys can do that if you feel like you want to do it. So basically I'm gonna read out my description for you guys in this little segment in between. Hello there, I'm Paul, creator of Weaponized. Over time, I've gotten better at building things, and this hobby of mine has become something I decided to share with the world. As much as I love doing it, it is costly, so usually I get held back from showing my full potential. I've decided to join Patreon to provide my viewers with a way of helping me if they feel like doing so. Those who want me to build a certain something can donate to help me afford the supplies needed to build said thing. Tools and supplies are expensive, so more often than not, I get impaired in my ability to build things just because of cost. Because of this, those who donate a fair amount will get to make a suggestion, which I will do my best to build. Thanks to all of you so much in advance. You're all amazing. So that was basically it for the Patreon part. Now back to the video. When the smithing this way took way too long, me and my friend decided to go get a bigger hammer, which had good results. As this video was mostly proof of concept for the Forge, and not really an entire build, when I continue this smithing work and I succeed actually making it into something useful or something that looks kinda cool, I will make that into a new video. I will record my progress on it. But right now this is all I have for today. I hope you still got something out of it. Thanks so much for watching this video and I hope you all have a great day. I will see you guys in the next video.